DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. You see what we are dealing with today now? You don't know what time it is at night time. A fully night time. You see me I say, yeah, man, you don't know what we are doing. They are with none other than. Yeah, man, Mr. Bobby myself, man, Mr. Scamming over music, man. I want to you, man. I miss hey, alright, we're not even getting into that. You don't know that with the Skippa done. You see me, I've been telling you the artist, I know, man. I've been telling you over a year or so ago, you know. You see me, I said, the artist are come burn up road. And the man a burn up road. The man are doing supposed to. And the trajectory and the pace and what me I say, the wave that Skippa been on lately, if him continue that momentum, that where they may look. You see me? If he continue with the momentum there for the rest of the year and just keep getting better, the man come for the answer, brother. Especially chopping. Hey, I tell you the youth them rate Skippa, you know. You see me? Me not lie. You see me? I say, but anyway, gang. They are with another one, Skippa, the one I named Young. This was requested by the Dan Mafia. You see me I say? It was requested by R.I.P. Bob. Big up your damn self. You see me requested by R.I.P. Bob. You don't know we gotta do it anyways, but you don't know. I gotta give everybody a shout out. You see me I say R.I.P. Bob. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. We there at Skippa, Young gang. We're not going to hold much longer in a Skippa, you know. You see me I say? Big blood, be my up to them. Oh, the 7 or 5 series. This is definitely a 7. Definitely a 7 series. Hush. It's fresh shot. This niggas with the R&B sample, boy. That's fuck. Hey, come on. Crazy. Hey. Stop playing it out. Come on. Come on, man. Talk. Hey. I said 740 like that. Come on. Yeah. Come in, man. Crazy. Get you stack on the bread and put in it. Hey, life out of you living now. I stay in the dark when I'm lonely. Yeah. I'm seeing my demons before me. Yeah. I'm seeing my demons. That no good still in the dark. If you see demons, you see things, you know, Skippa. And if you get that checked out, bro. You see me, I say? This way that I said, though, come and get the first part time. You see me? This nigga love Montclair. That's all me I say. Skippa, the Montclair boss. Come here. These ones fired, oh my nigga. You feel me? Yo, I think you got more ones than me though. Skippa going like say you want to turn up in one game more than me that. Hey, I think you got check. Come on. I just smile and they cheese and they know me. I stay in the dark when I'm lonely. Yeah. I'm seeing my demons before me. Yeah. I'm seeing my demons. I think you need to get checked out though. Come on. Can't stay, go and chat. Yeah. See the morning I go wait on that. Yeah. Get a place with my mama sweepstakes cause that them never see one like me before. Yeah. When I started chopping I was young. Whoa. Bro. Hey, this nigga giving you some R&B, bro. That song that's the Post Malone. You see me? I'm seeing my demons. I can't stay, go and chat. Yeah. I see the morning I go wait on that. No. Get a place with my mama sweepstakes cause that. Yeah. I can't go and chat, see the money. Me now wait for me not blame me, bro. Come on. Get a place here, mama, and a sweepstakes. On to them. Them never see one like me before. When I started chopping, I was young. You won't think about me when I'm gone. Woohoo! I need a giant like the ring I never won. Oh, stop playing with him. Stop. Hey, stop it. Play with him, man. Stop playing with him, man. When the man started scamming, he was no. This nigga the Post Malone a sweepstakes. Oh, I'm telling the man sweepstakes. Post Malone, me I call this man for now. Come in.
Sweepstakes, cause that.
Sweepstakes,
Them
cause
never see one like me before.
I want to you. How the man son?
When I started jobbing, I was young. You would think about me when I'm gone. I need a giant like the ring I never won. Yeah. And that file, cause if I close the door, call me anything you want, but can't call before.
I want to no call him man anything. Man no business. Eh? Call him anything man want but you can't call it that poor. You see me say man chap. I want to. You can't go and chat. Man I get to it.
Yeah. There's no I won't wait on no one.
No one.
I'm on and I've been waiting so long.
Yeah.
I know the darkness taking over.
Yeah.
Taking
No over.
Yeah, I'm telling you it's time for go out and seek. I'm telling fuck that.
Tell you them go out and seek. Cause you mean man go feed man. You gotta hunt you know. You eat what you kill. You see me answer that way. Yeah.
Y'all who want roll like me, take out their heart and go walk on the road and see her. No, them not real like me. Who a flash eyed.
You gotta go hunt and kill man. Either you go hunt out in the streets up on the internet streets, but you gotta go get it. You see me answer? Yeah man. You see me, I didn't know, you don't know, you gotta do your official thing. When the man say go out and get it, no mean say you have to do something illegal if you go get it. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, anyway. Cause we work for one man, no work for you know. You see me, them can do the chopping thing or the scamming thing or the robbing or whatever thing and work for them. Maybe you're worrying and just have to do something legit, you see me? So don't make people trick you out of your spot. You see me? Maybe you got a work going on that's paying well. Maybe you got a little online business that's going well. Maybe you do streaming. Maybe you do podcasting. You see me, that's going well. Whatever I work for you, go out there and get it. You see me? Say don't meet when the man say go out there and get it, no mean say I have to go do nothing legal. You see me, whatever I work for you, just put in that extra work and it's going. You see me? I say, yeah man, cause you got people doing legit work, you know. Legal work where I live like a chopper cause they're making good money. You see me? I say, yeah man, and then you got choppers, you see me, making money. You see me? And you got choppers out there that's making less money than a regular minimum wage worker. You see me? I say so. Just with anything. You see me? So you just gotta do fine your time. Anyway, back to the video. Let's get it.
Now still like me, even after top OT. Jumping on my skull account, I got the GID. Yeah, the much scamming I sang them you. Just a fuck with the game, boy, and right now, tune, man, I teach.
Man say, yo, just what's scamming I sang them, yo. Man say, just have a good game, bro. You see me, no right now, tune. Wait, Skippa, I lie at you, know what I'm saying? Much
scamming, I sang them you. Just a fuck with the game, boy, and right now, tune, man, a thief, I'm a broad and say it brawling too.
A thief, I'm a proud say it brawling. Boy, yo, but like super brawling style. Scamming over music. You see me, I say, man say, yo, scamming over music, man, thief, I'm a brawling. Chew me idle, let me start sing song. This thing I always say so. Let's get it, bro. Skippa, yeah, man.
When I started jobbing, I was young. You would think about me when I'm gone. I need a giant like the ring I never won. I want assassin pan a bitch. Fat crown, put it on fat ring. Sweet stairs got me looking like me just rubber rings. One go scam me if you want one of this. Yeah, tired.
Oh, but man say yo. Skippa, but like, you tell the dog them to do it the other dog. You see what I say, boy, yo, go on. You see, you want to take everybody they want big people, so. You see me, man, say, yo. Sweepsy got me walking like a Brinks. You see me, go and go scam if you want one of this, you. Now, listen to them, boy, no little. Go on.
I need a giant like the ring I never won. I want assassin pan a bitch. Fat crown, put it on fat ring. Sweet stairs got me looking like me just rubber Brinks. One go scam me if you want one of this. Yeah, tired. Pressing market style.
Yeah, it's fat crown, put it on fatter rims. Sweepsty got me looking like me just Brinks. One go scam if you want one of this, you. What you want the man to say? The man I say this work for me, so you don't know what else to tell you. That all the man say me can't wrong him and the man say, yo dog, and this work for me, so that me can't tell about. Me not tell you if you go do it, but this work for me. You see, if me go tell you say, yo, if this work for me, I'm tell you say go do something else. Me's a liar. You see me? But me tell a brother say, yo, this work for me, that brother, if you see me, go and go do it too. And if you go pick it up, you can't really believe man. The man say, yo, this me do. Do what you want with the information there. You see me?
Skull a pull food like one plier, catch a fire. The skipper than power flyer. In that ball ball fee, no price is higher.
Yeah, ball ball free. Yeah, ball ball the fee, brother. Now the price gone up. I'm telling you, man.
Jesus, they know me. I stay in the dark when I'm lonely. I'm seeing my demons before me. I'm seeing my demons. I can stay, go and chat. See the morning, I go wait on that. Get a place with my mommy sweepstakes, cause that.
I'm telling you, man.
Them never see one like me before.
Come on, man. Crazy.
Yeah. Moment I got heaven. Skull up, I still had them. Yeah, so I laugh when I talk.
Hey.
Ever.
Four Granny EP September 26th. Oh dear! What? We getting that gang? We getting the tape on the 26th? Like and subscribe in a gang. I'm telling you this far. I'm telling you man, can't that bad man. I don't know the code man. This man say about yo, Skippa drop a EP September 26th 4 Granny EP. But alright. Yeah man, shout out Skippa bro. Yeah man, the one there young. When I started young, I wanna ring on like a hey, shout out to Skip them. You see me what I'm saying? Yeah man, dog doing thing man. But you don't know the code already, gang. You see me if I make it like this far to the video, make sure you like and subscribe, bro. You can't be that bad mind now. Come on now. Put a little God in your life. Get that hate out your heart, man. Get that hate out your heart, bro. You see me what I'm saying, gang? But yeah man, gang. Like to show that to all of our support. Making no shot of dancing, you know. You see me? Yeah man, you don't know. The code already dropped with comments. What your favorite part is? Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You see me? Visuals, all that good stuff. Drop it in the comment section. You see me? I say gang. Yeah man. And what am I about to say? Yeah, drop it in the comment section. Also, yeah. Drop it in the comment section. Also, yeah, drop your request so you can get your shout out. I dropped a blank a while ago for some reason, bro. That's crazy. Also, drop your request in the comment section. Drop your request in the comment section. I will yeah, make sure you get your shout out. Why am I drawing a blank? It's crazy. Make sure you get your shout out. You already know what time it is, gang. You already know. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.